How to make money fast on YouTube. Pro tips. What's up guys? Shahzad here, and today we're diving into the world of YouTube monetization. We're talking about making money fast, people. Join me as I try to make money fast on YouTube using some pro tips that actually work. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't it impossible to make money quickly on YouTube? A lot of people think it's all about luck or going viral, and while those things can help, there are proven strategies you can use to speed up the process. Get ready to unlock the secrets, guys. We're about to break down the barriers and show you how to turn your passion into profit. Let's do this. Alright, first things first. If you want to make money fast, you gotta jump on those trending topics. What's everyone talking about? What's blowing up the internet? Find those topics and create content around them. Think about it. When people search for those trending topics, your video could be right there waiting for them. More views mean more chances to monetize, so stay ahead of the game. We're not just chasing trends here though. We're going to use keywords to our advantage. Research popular keywords related to your niche and sprinkle them throughout your video's title, description, and tags. Trust me, it makes a difference. Now let's talk SEO, baby. I know it sounds complicated, but it's like giving your videos a superpower to reach the top of the search results. We want your video to be the first thing people see when they search for something related to your content. This means crafting an attention-grabbing title that includes relevant keywords. Don't forget about the video description. Use it to provide more context and entice viewers to hit that play button. And don't even get me started on tags. These bad boys help YouTube understand what your video is all about, so use a mix of broad and specific keywords to maximize your reach. Chapter 3. Listen up guys, because this next tip is crucial. You can't just upload a video and disappear. You gotta engage with your viewers and build a community around your channel. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your audience that you genuinely care about their thoughts and opinions. This is how you turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Think about it. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to watch your videos, share them with their friends, and become advocates for your channel. It's all about building those connections. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the fastest ways to make money on YouTube. Basically, you're gonna partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos. Find products that are relevant to your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Then, include your unique affiliate links in the video description. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You get to share awesome products with your audience and you get to make some serious cash in the process. Chapter 5. Now let's talk about the big picture. If you want to build a successful YouTube channel that generates long-term income, you need to consistently provide value to your viewers. Ask yourself, what problems are you solving? What entertainment are you providing? What unique insights are you sharing? When you focus on delivering value, people will keep coming back for more. And the more loyal you're following, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your channel, whether it's through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services down the line. And there you have it guys, 5 pro tips to help you make money fast on YouTube. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But by implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to monetizing your channel like a pro. If you want to learn more about monetization strategies, check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more advanced tips and insights. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn and grow together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.